Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install pretty much any AI model locally on your device using Pinokio AI. Ladies and gentlemen, Pinocchio.co. You're going to go ahead and tap on Pinocchio.co. Right over here, you are going to go down and click on download. This will be the home page. And if you're downloading for Mac, Linux, or Windows, just literally go ahead and select the one that you would prefer. And also then click on the download button right over here. Now it'll take a few seconds to download, and once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and install it. You can see now that it has started the installation. We now have Pinocchio running. This is fantastic. On the right hand side, you will see a create and a discover. Now, if you want to go and install any AI model on your device locally using Pinocchio, go and click on discover. Once you've clicked on discover, you will see everything that you can install. Now, if you don't find it here in this very long list, you can simply go up to the top over here. There is a search bar. You can go and search for whatever AI model you would like to go ahead and install. Now, let's say, for example, we want 1.2 GP, and all you have to do, simply click on it, and here it says one-click installation with Pinocchio. Now, once you click on it, it will install. Thereafter, there might be a few other files that need to be installed so that this can run properly on your system. And once you're done, you'll actually be able to run this model locally on your device.